Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Austin, Nebraska on this Ranger RCI X9HP. Hey, X9, who's your daddy? The HP is your daddy. Ranger come out with this model. It's exactly the same as the X9 except it sports a higher output MOSFET transistors in the amplifier section, the RT6. Let's show you what we got here. Our power all the way down, 100-watt slug. Got you at 4 watts all the way down in case you just run like a 6 or 8 peel. You got full adjustability. 50 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. Buries the 100-watt slug in average. 500-watt slug in peak. Hello, 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 hello. 290. Good day. Alright, this thing's rocking and rolling. Austin, we're going to get it to you. Got to run it to the battery. It does come with a power cord. However, if you want to get creative, if you'll run an 8-gauge wire up toward the radio and cut the power cord short there, it'll even do better. Austin, your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.